Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala Meklaya beri pej ketat kampo ieng ubah persetuan tensong loong bakalong kaman halap pangap kalabaha bakladon kecingelang pedengki bor punya distrik ke West Chente Hills but West Karbi Anglong hak arpratrek ban penne ek sungsuk sungsngai hai kindiat sengi beladap kalak hie ketamaye siat digi jeri siat sim bat ki knam pedengki Karbi bat ki kasi penar hak tege snong Baraka arpenyo drek nailu raja fly kladon kecikawang terkas daki pulit ke asam yakinong sungsnong hakapor kumba arbeci ei kumban syukdau bah arpenru trek kladon kecing siat tri siat knam daki Karbi yaki kasi penar ki balik rep leiriang barkani kala penbitari kasi penar ban cubab kala hakabaki lami barkantai bat senrang bani khun persya kesnong lapangap nakapor skapor kamad ik cingshale dusman daki Karbi dak basya penculari ki cakarap barkiwe pat ki kampens ir yakinong sungsnong.
Border issue has already been briefed by spokesperson. Okay.
No,
He already done.
No.
He already done.
No, you are the Home Minister. From you, we want to know how is the situation.
What your situation?
Lapangap area and
Now it is good.
No,
And today joint meeting has been there.
any special forces security.
Joint meeting has been there, and within this week again, both the chief minister will sit down. Okay.
Hakawai pat kaliang ba persetuan lakan taj ban kunthoi ai halo kecing eno uba man balang jerwa ubala tip kertengru kum Sufian Hazarika ya kam vice chairman ke HNLC hapdeng kecing krani sok berkesorkar.
Okay, one more thing. HNLC
HNLC vice chair
chairman
has resigned.
Will it affect
I have no comment.
Okay.